Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna rice salad. First, let's prepare our base. You'll need to cook about 1 cup of your favorite rice, like white or brown, following the package instructions. Once it's perfectly cooked and fluffy, spread it out on a plate or baking sheet. This helps it cool down quickly and completely, which is a crucial step for achieving that ideal, non-mushy salad texture. A cool base makes all the difference. Next, let's bring in the stars of our salad. Take 2 cans of tuna, preferably packed in water, and drain them very well. Flake the tuna into a large mixing bowl. Now, for some crunch and flavor, finely chop about 1/2 cup of crisp celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. If you like, add 1/2 cup of thawed frozen peas for a pop of color and a hint of sweetness. These fresh additions really elevate the salad. Now for the creamy, flavorful dressing that ties everything together. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. This combination provides a lovely tang and richness. Squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. It really brightens up the flavors. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Mix it until smooth and creamy. It's time to bring all our delicious components together. Add the cooled rice, the flaked tuna, and all your chopped vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Pour the creamy dressing over everything. Gently fold all the ingredients until they are well combined and every piece is coated. For the best flavor, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Enjoy your homemade tuna rice salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.